Hello beautiful mom, welcome to my channel The Mom World. Request to all beautiful watch my this video till the end so that you can know how to develop the baby's brain during the pregnancy, and also if you like my work definitely subscribe my channel so that I can serve this 9-month beautiful videos as in your little one development. How to develop a baby's brain during pregnancy. The journey of parenthood begins long before birth. A baby's brain starts developing within weeks of conception, and what a mother does during pregnancy significantly impacts cognitive development. Proper nutrition, mental stimulation, and a stress-free environment can enhance brain growth, leading to a healthier and more intelligent baby. This article explores scientific and practical ways to develop a baby's brain in the womb, ensuring optimal growth. 1. Understanding fetal brain development. A baby's brain develops in 3 primary stages. First trimester, weeks 1 to 12. The neural tube forms, laying the foundation for the brain and spinal cord. Second trimester, weeks 13 to 27. Brain cells, neurons, multiply rapidly, forming connections. Third trimester, weeks 28 to 40, synapses develop, and the brain prepares for learning and memory. By birth, a baby's brain contains 100 billion neurons and is ready to learn. 2. Essential nutrients for brain growth. Proper nutrition is key to a baby's brain development. Some vital nutrients include A. Folic acid, vitamin. Prevents neural tube defects. Found in leafy greens, beans, oranges, and prenatal supplements. B. Omega-3 fatty acids, DHA or EPA. Supports brain cell formation. Found in fish, salmon, sardines, flax seeds, and walnuts. C. Protein. Essential for neuron growth. Found in eggs, dairy, lean meats, lentils, and nuts. D. Iron. Ensures oxygen supply to the baby's brain. Found in spinach, red meat, and fortified cereals. E. Choline. Crucial for memory and learning ability. Found in eggs, liver, and peanuts. F. Vitamin D. Supports brain structure formation. Found in sunlight, fortified milk, and fish. G. Iodine. Essential for brain development. Found in iodized salt, dairy, and seafood. Tip. A well-balanced prenatal diet with these nutrients is crucial for brain development. 3. The role of a mother's lifestyle. A healthy lifestyle positively influences fetal brain development. A. Regular exercise. Improves oxygen supply to the baby's brain. Recommended activities. Walking, prenatal yoga, swimming. B. Stress management. Chronic stress releases cortisol, which can harm the baby's brain. Practice deep breathing, meditation, and positive thinking. C. Quality sleep. Sleep helps brain cell growth and reduces stress hormones. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep. D. Avoiding harmful substances. Alcohol, smoking, and drugs can damage fetal brain cells. Limit caffeine to prevent developmental delays. 4. Mental stimulation for the baby. Babies start learning in the womb. You can stimulate their brain through A. Talking and singing. By the 26th week, babies can hear sounds. Talking to your baby helps language development. Sing lullabies or read books aloud. B. Playing music. Classical and soft music enhance brain activity. Avoid loud noises, which can cause stress. C. Gentle touch and massage. Stroking the belly releases oxytocin, fostering brain growth. Helps in emotional bonding and sensory development. D. Visualization and positive thinking. Mothers who visualize happy moments transmit positive energy to the baby. Surround yourself with positive people and affirmations. 5. Importance of prenatal checkups. Regular doctor visits ensure the baby's brain is developing properly. A. Ultrasounds and scans. Monitor brain growth and detect abnormalities. B. Blood tests. Check for nutrient deficiencies that might affect brain development. C. Vaccinations. Prevent infections like rubella, which can cause brain damage. 6. The power of a mother's emotions. A baby senses the mother's emotions. A. Staying happy. Happiness releases endorphins, helping brain development. Engage in hobbies, laughter, and positive activities. B. Avoiding anxiety. Chronic anxiety can increase cortisol levels. Seek support from family, friends, or counseling if needed. 7. Hydration and its impact. Water is vital for brain cell growth. How much water to drink? At least 8 to 10 glasses per day. Helps in amniotic fluid production and nutrient transport. 8. Superfoods for a smart baby, including brain-boosting foods, can make a difference. Blueberries. Packed with antioxidants for brain protection. Avocados, rich in healthy fats. Greek yogurt, supports neuron function. Nuts and seeds, provide essential minerals. 9. Avoiding toxins for better brain health. Environmental toxins can harm fetal brain development. Common toxins to avoid. Pesticides. Wash fruits and vegetables properly. Heavy metals. Lead, mercury. Avoid high mercury fish like swordfish. BPA in plastics. Use glass or BPA-free containers. 10. Preparing for birth and beyond. Brain development continues after birth. Plan breastfeeding, which provides essential nutrients. Engage in skin-to-skin contact for emotional intelligence. Continue talking, singing, and playing with your baby. Final thoughts. Developing a baby's brain starts in the womb. By eating the right foods, staying active, managing stress, and engaging in mental stimulation, you can ensure your baby has a strong foundation for intelligence and emotional well-being.